Students, so today's subject is about English, and what we are going to see today is about letters on a tab and computer keyboard. Letters on a tab and computer keyboard. So all of you open your textbook page number 8. Have you opened? Yes or no? So look, find, read and use letters on a tab. Okay, so first of all tell me how the letters, how the alphabets are there. A, then B, then C, then D, then E, F, G and so on. Yes or no? How they are arranged? First A, then B, then C, then D, then E, then F and so on. But have you seen phones? How they are arranged in the phones or in a laptop? So today what we will see, the letters on a tab and on the computer keyboard. Means how the letters are arranged on them. Okay. So see, open your textbook page number 8. So, see, which letter is first? Q. Yes or no? Yes, first letter is which? Q. Then W. Then E. Then R. Then T. Then Y. Then U. Then I. Then O. Then which letter? Yes, P. Then which? A. Then S. Then D. Then which letter? F. Then which letter again? G. Then H. Then J. Then K. Then L. Then Z. Then X. Then C. Then V. Then B. Then N. And then M. So, can you see these letters, how they are arranged on the tab? Yes or no? You might have seen the phones also now. Of course, you are familiar with the phone. So in phone also you can open and go on the Google, or you can, if you want to type something, see the number, see the letters board appears there, and you can see there. They are also arranged in such a way. The letters appears like this only in the phone. Yes or no? So you know now, you are familiar with this. Okay. So these are the letters arranged on a tab, and if you want to go for the numbers, then you have to click here on the numbers key. Then if you want to search anything, if you want to find, then you need to type on this. And if you type on this and then you go for search, then you just press go. Then if you are searching on any Google, if you are searching on Google, then if you type anything, whatever you want to type and whatever you want to find. So if you click then go, then you will, whatever you want, it will display on your screen. Now this you know now how the letters are arranged in them. Now you came to know now. Of course you are familiar with the phones. In the phones also it will display like this only. How the letters are arranged over here in such a way you will display in the phones also. Now I will ask you the letters. You just find it. Okay. Now tell me, where is G? Yes. Where is G in the phone? Yes, it is here. Yes, very good. Now tell me, where is Y? Yes, look over here. You can use your phones. You can use your now parents' phone. And just tell me fast, where is the K? Where is the letter K? Yes, very good. Look, it is here. Where is the letter M? Where is the letter M? Yes, it is here. Then V. Yes, very good. Then S. Yes, see, here. Then A, here. Yes or no? So next is letters on computer keyboard. Letters on the computer keyboards are arranged also in such a way. Means what? How can you see them in a tab or in a phone? In such a way you can see on the keyboards also. Computer keyboards also, they are in such a way only arranged. First Q, then W, then E, then R, then T, then Y, U, I, O, P, A, S, D, F, G, H, J, K, L and Z, X, C, V, P, N, M. They are arranged in computer keyboard also. Similarly they are arranged. Yes or no? So now look, so you understand what's the lesson is about. Means what it is about. It is about the letters on a tab and computer keyboard. Means how are the letters on the tab and computer keyboards. How are our alphabets arranged? A, then B, then C. But no, not in a phone or not in a computer keyboard. How they are arranged? First Q, then W, then E, then R, then T. In such a way they are arranged.